Mikhail's first, well, not his first Christmas, but this is his
first one he's aware of what's going on. Alright, come on, let's go. Oh, rip it like a Mexican. Pinatas. Come on, open up. Open up, pinatas. Sam, you gonna help him too? You wanna rip too? Come on, pull it up, Mikhail.
You already opened it.
Yay, come on, keep pulling. No, you gotta pull the whole thing out. Come on. Oh, yeah. There you go. Way to grab it. Come on, grab it again. Pull all the way out.
Sarah's like, let me assist, please.
Alright, that's on the other side. Let's go. Let's open up, Mikhail. What do you got? Some blocks to be educational foundation of your life. Hey, guy, where would you go without blocks, Mikhail? What would you do?
Kermit, put it near him.
Alright.
Mikhail, look.
Open it up. Because I can't.
Mikhail's first gift on Christmas that he opened. Well, this is actually his second Christmas, but he's 1 year old, 15 months old.
Hey, Mikhail, these are blocks. You put it together to form objects. What objects? That's just what you decide. This is also a chair. If you're feeling lazy, sit down and enjoy yourself.
Let him sit.
Pimp your block set.
Let him sit down on it, Kermit.
Alright, pimp your block set. I might borrow this to get away from your mom one day and just hide in the closet. Hold on, let me get the tape off.
Mikhail,
Party.
you sitting on your chair? Up, down, up, down, down.
Oh, there you go.
Yay!
Yay! Party like a rock star. There you go. Alright, let's open another one. Because we have nothing else to do. Alright. That's your small box. Why do you have a small box? I don't know. Let's leave it alone. Alright, let's go for a bigger box. Let's take a bigger box. Come on, get your little hands on it. Oh, yeah. Feel the tear. Feel the tear. Oh, you know what this is, Mikhail?
Hold on, don't say it yet. Could you put the ears back on, Mikhail?
Come on, sucker. You gotta do it too.
He does not mean that, Mikhail.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
No, yes, I do.
No,
Alright,
you don't.
Mikhail. Come on in. I look like an idiot. So sad. Mikhail, this is Mr. And his buckets of fun. So they actually made the Christmas open presents. Alright. Woo!
You like that, Mikhail? He's like, I think. I don't know what to do with it yet.
You have a Mexican potato. Dress them up in different mini Mexican ways. Fiesta! We'll get you in there and you'll dress it
The
up.
reason why Kermit is making all these Mexican jokes is because our friends Richard and Annette and Samuel are here.
Alright, come on, Mikhail. Get that hand in there and pull.
Hold on, I want to open that with them. Here.
Are you
take
sure
this.
with that hairstyle? This is the gayest crap I've ever done in my life. Go ahead and press the button.
It's playing.
Richard, can you see everybody from there?
Yeah, I can see you guys.
Alright, great, Mikhail. Hands on it, ready. I'm not quite sure what this is.
Mikhail, look.
I don't know why you would like that, Mikhail.
It's a bear house.
Yeah, it's
a tree house.
Usually girls get those, right?
No, they don't.
Okay, I'm just curious. You know, just seem like a dog.
Kermit, this is an imagination. Why would you say that? Girl,
oh my gosh, what did I do? She won't stop it.
These are your parents.
Look, Mikhail, it was a tree house.
How you zoom in?